You excited? Ashu! Happy? You happy? Huh? Yes! Okay. We just get off the bus. We're here at the open adventure. Are you excited? Are you excited? Ano yan? Oh! Oh, ano yan?
Look clearly and closest to my heart. This tale I favored from the start. Listen to me, bow down to the majesty. I am the goddess of instinct. Will sing, listen to me. This is my legacy. I am sing I am. Watch out for me.
You want to see the dolphins? Huh? Oh, there's a dolphin! There's a dolphin! You know what? You know what? Later it's gonna jump. You're gonna see it jump. Luis! Luis!
Kuya, road po natin pa. Upuan nyo ano. Apo, dadaan po sila. Sige po. Sige po, pasok na lang po. Pasok na lang tayo. Parang
Listen up and look closer. Don't be afraid. Leia here is a very gentle snake. But when you touch Leia, she's a gentle touch only. Alright? So see Leia, son. Nakikita niyo ba yung dila niya? Alakas-lakas yung dila niya, di ba? Well, she keeps sticking her tongue out because she's smelling the air with it. Try that sometimes. Parang ang hirap, no? But it captures that perfectly with her environment. Just like our tree branch over there. And that is what we call joke lang. And that is what we call exactly camouflage. Alright. But most people think these snakes are slippery and slimy. Are they? Slippery and slimy mo ba sila? Confused sila. Wow, that's a better idea. Why don't we choose for a brave volunteer from the audience? Anyone?
So, ang hunter po, every year po natatanong. This one is a Rosa deer. Yan, deer po, they can jump up to 4 feet. Yan, dyan na sila kataas tumalon. Ayan mga ating usa.
Don't touch.
So,
Baka kagating kayo.
sensitivity nila pag nag-aamoy po, no? Like kasi mga usa pag hinahunt yan, once yung hangin
Hello.
pumunta sa kanila, and then yung tao na
Gutom yata sila. Let's go on the other side. There's the other deer. Follow deer.
another deer.
That's the deer, Jenna. Deer. Oh, deer, deer, deer.
Liger, mami.
Liger.
Yung liger parang malaki na pusa.
Yuel,
Yeah.
Yuel. Tumingin ka muna.
Kami nila, oh. Ay, nakangangay isa. Ah! Nakanganga. Ah!
Gutom ba? Gutom?
Hello. Ay, yun na, yun na, yun na. Eh,
Ah, hindi.
sige.
it! Come on! Manigas!
Just watch, okay? Watch.